Hello, grade 11, revision quarter 4. Infinite geometric sequence with first term 24 has a sum of 48. يعني عندي geometric sequence the first term equals 24 and their sum s of infinity equals 48. S to infinity equals e over 1 minus r equals 48. Substitute in the rule. E equals 24 over 1 minus r equals 48. Cross multiplication. 24 equals 48 minus 48 r. Then take 48 in the other side and change its sign. Then negative 48 r equals negative 24. Divide negative 48 each side. Then 48. Then r equals half. Then the answer is B. Number 2. What's the type of the series? 32, 16 plus 16 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. The ratio between any term and its preceding is constant, then it's finite geometric sequence. Finite geometric sequence. Then the answer is B. Solve the triangle. Solve the triangle ABC with C equals 103, B equals 28 degree, and the length of B equals 26. Then I have a triangle ABC, A, B, C. Measure of angle C 103 and B 28. Then we can find measure of angle A 180. Angle A equals 180 minus 103 plus 28 equals 49. Then angle A equals 49. The length of B opposite to angle B equals 26. Then use the sine law. By using the sine law, A over sine A, sine 49 equal B 26 over sine 28 equals C over sine 103. Then we can find E equals 26 times sine 49 over sine 28. Then E equals 41.8 and C equals cross 26 sine 103 over sine 28 equals 54. Solve the triangle. Solve the triangle ABC. C equals 122, E equals 12, and C equals 18. Then use the sine law. A over sine A, A over sine A equals B over sine B. Then 12 over sine A equals 18 over sine 122. C over sine C. C over sine C. Then sine A equals 12 sine 122 over 18 by using calculator equals 0.5654. Shift sign, then measure of angle A equals 34.4. We can find the measure of angle B. Measure of angle B equals 180 minus 122 plus 18 plus 34.4. 34.4 equals 23.6. Then find the length of B equals B over sine B. B over sine B. Then B over sine 23.6 equals 18 over sine 122. Then B equals 18 sine 23.6 over sine 122 equals 8.5. Find the area of a triangle. Find the area of triangle ABC in which AB equals 3, AC equals 5, measure of angle A equals 55. Then the area of triangle equals half BC sine A. BC sine A half time 5 time 3 time sine 55. By using calculator equals 6.14. Solve the triangle. A equals 12, C equals 16, and measure of angle B equals 38. We have two sides and included angle ABC, ABC. A equals 12, C equals 16, measure of angle B equals 38. Then I can find the length of B. B power 2 equals A power 2 plus C power 2 minus 2AC cosine B. Then B power 2 equals 12 power 2 plus 16 power 2 minus 2 times 12 times 16 cosine 38. Then B power 2 equals 97.4. Then B equals root 97.4 equal 9.87. We can use the sine law to find measure of angle A or C. A over sine A, A over sine A equals B over sine B. A equals 12 over sine A equals B 9.87 over sine 38. Then sine A equals 12 sine 38 over 9.87 equals 0 point, by using calculator 74.7485. Shift sign, then measure of angle A equals 48.5. Then C equals 180 minus 38 plus 48.5 equals 93.5. Solve the triangle. We have three sides. Then use cosine law. ABC, ABC. 18. Opposite to angle A equals 8. Opposite to angle C equals 13. Then find the greatest angle. The greatest angle opposite to longest side. Then cosine B equals A power 2 plus C power 2 minus B power 2 over 2AC equals 8 power 2 plus 13 power 2 minus 18 power 2 over 2 times 8 times 13 equals negative 0.4375. Shift cosine, then measure of angle B equals 115.9. Then use the sine law to find the missing elements. A over sine A, A over sine A equals B over sine B. Then A equals 8 over sine A equals B equals 18 over sine 115.9. Then sine A equals 0.3998. Then measure of angle A equal 23.6. Then C equals 180 minus 115.9 plus 23.6 equals 40.5. Find the area. Find the area of triangle ABC. Then at the first, I want to find the perimeter of a triangle. 22 plus 50 plus 40 equals 112. Find half the perimeter. S 112 over 2 equals 56. Then the area of a triangle, equals root S times S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Substituting the rule, 56 56 minus 22, 56 minus 40, 56 minus 50, then equals 428 square unit. Given that sine E equals 3 over 5, theta in the second quad between pi over 2 and pi in the second quad. Find the value of the other 5 trigonometric form by using the identity sine power 2 theta plus cosine power 2 theta equals 1, sine equals 3 over 5 power 2 plus cosine power 2 theta equals 1, then cosine power 2 theta equals 1 minus 3 power 2 9 over 5 power 2 25 16 over 25, 1 minus 9 over 25. Then cosine theta equals positive or negative 4 over 5, theta in the second quad, cosine in second quad negative, then cosine theta equal negative 4 over 5. Then I have sine and cosine. Then we can find cosec theta. Cosec is a reciprocal of sine, 1 over sine theta equals 5 over 3. Sec, reciprocal of cosine, 1 over cosine, cosine theta, cosine negative 4 over 5, then sec equal negative 5 over 4. Tan theta equals sine over cosine, sine over cosine, sine theta 3 over 5, 3 over 5 over negative 4 over 5 equals negative 3 over 4. Then cotan theta equals reciprocal of tan negative 4 over 3. Simplify. Sec theta tan power 2 theta plus sec. Take sec common factor. Then the remainder 10 power 2, 10 power 2 theta plus 1, and 10 power 2 theta plus 1 equals sec power 2 time sec power 2 theta equals sec power 3 theta. Simplify the expression. Cosine pi over 2 minus x. Cosine pi over 2 minus x equals sine x. Cotan equals cosine over sine. Cancel sine with sine, then equals cosine x. Verify the identity cotan negative theta equal negative cotan theta. The rules. Sine negative theta equals negative sine theta, but cosine negative theta equals cosine theta. Then cotan equals cosine negative theta over sine theta. Then cosine negative theta equals cosine theta, but sine negative theta equal negative sine theta, then it equals negative cotan theta. Verify the identity. Cotan power 2 x over cosec x equals cosec x minus sine x. 1 plus cotan power 2 equals cosec power 2x. Then cotan power 2x equals cosec power 2x minus 1. Substitute in left hand side. Cotan power 2 equals cosec power 2x minus 1 over cosec x. Distribute the denominator. Cosine power 2 cosec power 2x over cosec x minus 1 over cosec x cancel equals cosec x minus 1 over cosec sine x equals the right hand side. Solve 2 tan x minus 1, where x belong to interval 0 to 2 pi. Then 2 sine x, 2 sine x equals 1. Then sine x equals half. Sine positive in first and second quad. First and second quad. In second quad, use 180 minus. Shift sine. Then shift sine half. Then x equals 30. 30 degree. Then times pi over 180 equals pi over 3. The first solution. X in second quad 180 minus 30 equals 150. Time pi over 180 then equals 5 pi over 6. Then the solution pi over 3 and 5 pi over 6. Okay, goodbye.